So that's all smoke. And I don't know if you can tell through the phone, but the sky's pretty orange, which means I can't play outside. So I'm gonna do inside stuff. I don't know if I actually mentioned that I'm making a candle. That's what I'm doing to entertain myself while I'm trapped inside. And I'm doing it the very lazy and incorrect way, utilizing beeswax and coconut oil and some lavender bullshit. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know if I mentioned that. I figure that's probably helpful. Bam. Does that work? Hold the line. It's a good thing I was already bored because this is some tedious bullshit. Shitty little metal pot. I'm not doing this correctly because I'm lazy. As in, you're supposed to get another metal container to melt the beeswax into, and then you dump it into the jars. But I just don't care. I don't care enough. I put the hat on it. I'm bored. Patience is apparently part of this. Not good at that. Sucking. What an ass. Here's another thing. Coconut oil. Take that shit. You mix it in with it. I have no idea how much. I'm just gonna do it until it looks right. I should have opened this beforehand. So we can pretend that we're measuring and doing things correctly. This is a terrible angle. At least you can't see the filth. Yeah. Cook with goodness, it says. Oh yeah. Probably way too much. It's dancing. It looks like an idiot. It's melting now though. Still dancing. Turn down the business of it. And I'm gonna jump in with oil. That much? Sure. Why not? Oh shit, I forgot my eyes and hands. A clean workspace is completely unnecessary. Also, I got this shit, lavender, and I think you only need a tiny bit, so I'm just gonna kind of bloop it and hope for the best. Give it a little bloop. There we go. And then, because I want to be fucking fancy, okay. Oh, fuck it. Fuck that cat. Got some of this shit. Aw, it's almost done. Look at the cute little guy. Almost pure liquid. How exciting. It's ugly, but I figured out how to let the wicks dry into it without having to stand there holding them like a dumbass. Angles, yo. And I'll just clip them short with some scissors later. Ha 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 ha. Ta-da! It's a little ugly, but it's a whole ass candle. And it was very easy. Everyone else makes it all fucking complicated. Like, oh, measure this, double boil this, get a special thing to stir the thing in. Oh, these very specific proportions of oil and beeswax make the make the candle work, you gotta clip the... You fuck it, just throw it in a goddamn pot. Toss it on in, it's fine. But that's actually the first time I've ever made a candle. Woo! And we clean the sides. Definitely should have done something else.